Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are featuring another oil. In the oil series, we are featuring olive oil, one of my absolute favorite oils. So if you guys are interested in all the benefits, stay tuned and let's hop on into the video. So before we officially start this video, be sure that if you have not, be sure to subscribe and like this video. It helped me out tremendously and also keep you guys updated whenever I post. Also hit the notification bell as well. And then after you watch this video, be sure to head over to the other video that's in the oil series, coconut oil right now. And then as time passes, you'll see more and more videos go into this like playlist of oil series, breaking down each and every single oil for you guys. I thought it'd be really helpful. If you guys didn't know what the benefits of coconut oil was, you could simply go to these videos and say, hey, okay, would this oil be the best for me? Let me look at the nutrients, everything like that. So I just thought it would be helpful to break it down. If it is, be sure to let me know down below in the comments. So anyway, let's get into all the benefits of it. Okay, so I am reading off my phone. I do have notes on my phone about it, and I just wanted to make sure I hit every point for you guys to let you guys know all the benefits of it and why it's so good. So olive oil is actually one of the only oils that actually penetrates your hair shaft and not just like coat it and sit on top of it. So that's really good. It really gets into your hair and nourishes it from the inside out. Olive oil is also a frizzy hair tamer. So using olive oil on just ends of your hair will help to moisturize your ends, moisturize your brittle and maybe dry ends, and then also it would help tame the frizz and fly away hairs. I use it after I style my hair. I use it when I moisturize and seal my hair. I literally have olive oil in pretty much every product that I use. I add oils and stuff to my shampoos, to my conditioners. As I moisturize and seal my hair, I use olive oil in a mixture bottle. I'll have all those videos linked down below for you guys. And then also, I forgot to tell you guys this, every product that I always mention in my videos will be down below in the description box. So check it out. I personally get all of my oils from Amazon, so it's just way easier and they all come at once. So that's where I get mine, and I will have a link down below for you guys for you to check that out. And also, olive oil adds shine, y'all. If you have tried olive oil for yourself, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And so it adds such a natural inner, like just glowing shine to your hair. My hair has not ever looked as healthy as it has now, and so I really do attribute this to a lot of my oils and co-washing my hair and conditioning my hair as well. So anyway, that's that. Olive oil has definitely contributed to the shine of my hair. So olive oil actually makes your hair easier to manage. So frizzy and limp and dry hair is not always the easiest and the best to comb through and to work with. So using olive oil can really help this routine. If you guys don't know what to do with your hair, my #1 suggestion is always start co-washing your hair and then add oils. And so that literally, you'll see a change in your hair, I guarantee you. Also, olive oil also contains anti-inflammatory properties that promote scalp health and prevent dandruff. Extra virgin olive oil is also rich in high levels of monosaturated fatty acids and vitamin E, which is an antioxidant important to hair growth. Also, olive oil is actually very unlikely to cause like an allergic reaction. Now, I know there may be some people out here that may be allergic to olive oil, so heed that warning. But if you are looking for an oil that you're kind of like, which one should I try first? Olive oil, I would say, is your best bet, just in case you may have scalp conditions and stuff like that. Try it like on a little patch of your hair and see. But typically, it does not cause an allergic reaction, so it's a great oil for that. If you have like a sensitive scalp or you're allergic to certain things, yeah, it's a great option for you. Olive oil also has the ability to sometimes reduce the damage that's been done with other products or straightening your hair too much or blow drying your hair or whatever, too much heat, bad products. It has the properties to be able to restore and reduce the damage in your hair. So it's a great oil for that as well. So yeah, olive oil is amazing at moisture. 100% has transformed my hair, has been one of the things, one of the habits that whenever I started my hair journey that truly has transformed my hair. My hair was never like naturally shiny. I added these different things, co-washing and oils to my regimen and my routine, and y'all, my hair has never looked or felt the way, or thrived the way it has whenever I started that. So try olive oil. Let me know down below if you've tried it and if you love it as much as I do. Also, let me know how your hair care routine is going, how your hair care journey is going. I want to know updates, etc. And I'm so excited to be back filming with you guys. If you did not know, the reason I've taken a break is because I was out of the country in Zambia serving missionary work over there with my job. So that's just kind of an FYI. I will also link the video of my experience in the cards or down below in the description box for you guys to see. But anyway, I'm so glad to be back with you guys, and yes, so if you have not, be sure to subscribe to this video. Check below for all links. I put all of my links down below. I have all the oil oils that have truly transformed my hair will be down below in the description box, as well as other videos that could be helpful for you guys. So anyway, I love you guys so very much. Don't forget to check out the other videos in the oil series, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!